What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI inside VS Code so you can write, debug, and understand code without leaving your editor. First, open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions tab on the left side. In the search bar, type in Claude and install a Claude AI extension that connects to Anthropic. After installing it, reload VS Code if prompted. Next, you'll need to connect your Claude account. Open the extension settings and look for the API key or authentication section. Go to your Anthropic account, copy your Claude API key, paste it into VS Code, and save the settings. Once that's done, open any code file in your editor. You can now interact with Claude directly inside VS Code. Select a piece of code and send it to Claude, or open the Claude chat panel and type your question. You can ask Claude to explain code, fix errors, refactor functions, or help you write new features. For best results, include context when asking questions. Paste the relevant code, explain what you're trying to do, and mention any errors you're seeing. Claude responds more accurately when it understands the full situation. When Claude gives you a response, review the suggested changes before applying them. Test your code after making updates to make sure everything works as expected. And that's it. That's how you use Claude AI in VS Code to speed up coding and problem solving. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.